For me, during the prelims one, I must have seen entire playlist of Premix of
Okay.
and the 2 minutes series, which was not like 2 minutes but like a 10
Right.
minute series.
Right.
That I have seen the whole playlist.
You're absolutely free to recommend any source or any coaching material that you might have referred.
Prelims maybe CSAT, I would say the toughest. So, sir, sociology, I did not have any background. I come from computer science engineering. But there was one subject in one of my semesters back in NIT Rourkela, social movements in India.
Okay.
And that got me introduced to sociology as an academic subject. And in general, I'd never thought about it. But then when in last semester, I was thinking what should be my optional, what should be my resources, and how do I go about it. Then I thought sociology is something that I would be interested in and I can spend a lot of time with it, and took sociology.
Okay.
And initially, yes, I studied the 11th and 12th NCRTs. Just went through them line by line, and obviously a lot of things I couldn't understand. A few of them I could understand, but never looked back to those books ever.
That
But just
was
read.
which year? When?
That was, I think, I had purchased those books, which was in my 8th semester, which was 2021 May. So I had not started preparation. I mean, I was a COVID year batch. Also, I was in home, but also as a placement coordinator of my batch, so it was hectic. But I just needed a distraction. I was planning to start. So that's why I had bought the 11th and 12th NCRTs and had read them, not like कि कुछ याद रखना है, just to feel कि sociology as a subject कैसा है.
Okay.
So that's when I started, and फिर after I got graduated around May, June में, I stumbled upon sleepy classes because I went through a lot of topper videos. I used to binge watch them बहुत ज़्यादा as well. पहले too, while I was in college, and then I think organically मेरे feed में it came. And then I searched the playlist and I saw कि मतलब they're very crisper videos.
Okay.
It's not like, because जब when I used to think कि if I ever take a coaching तब कितना time लगेगा, job के साथ हो पाएगा कि नहीं, I used to be very apprehensive कि every content that I used to come across and any classes that anybody would recommend, those used to be like 3 hours long,
Right,
or
right.
2 hours long, and I used to feel कि if job के साथ तो हो नहीं सकता. So I had seen a lot of initially, then after the NCRT, I had seen binged watch, I would say, a lot of the sleepy classes, initial videos, mostly of paper one.
Okay.
So a few of them I would have made notes and few I would not have. I just wanted to be in that zone कि अच्छा भी preparation start करना है and कैसा subject है. I was not sure also कि sociology ही लेना है. There was a doubt कि maths भी ले सकते हैं. So I would have seen majority of the paper one videos, and then I felt पूरा strong कि अभी sociology ही लेना है.
Okay.
I joined IOCL in October, so around एक महीने पहले I had purchased Olympus and had read probably couple of chapters with that, but वो बहुत bulky था, very intimidating, so I stopped reading that.
Okay.
फिर I joined October में Indian Oil Corporation, and फिर then I started देखना कि क्या कौन से resource list कर बनाना है, how can I, क्या timeline रहेंगे. I was making strategy and everything. And then I understood that I cannot follow a class for sociology because time नहीं होगा मेरे पास. I'll have to go through a job and everything, and then I stumbled.
Working hours used to be like throughout the day, या फिर evening ऐसे after evening job तो नहीं है ना, 9 to 5.
नहीं. Yes, it was a 9 to 5, but not like exactly 9 to 5. I could go like 10 o'clock and come at 6:15.
Okay.
So there was a flexibility over there, but it was a 8.5 hour I had to put in with devotion at office.
Okay.
So then I stumbled upon a previous topper, Neha Bhosle ma'am. She was AIR 15
Right.
a couple of years back. So I stumbled upon her notes,
Okay.
which were very extremely comprehensive. And I thought that ki maybe I'll use this only as my base material. I had come across other notes as well. I think Tusharanshu sir's notes, those are also pretty famous.
Right.
But I did not follow that. I followed Neha Bhosle ma'am. I think she was very recently, she was a topper tab us time pe.
Right.
And then that became my base material. But then like आपके videos जब देखे, I understood कि sociology में इधर it's not the concepts, or it's not the points कि आप ऐसे cover करो, it's thinkers. Like वो thinker का idea I came across after I came across your paper ones videos. So मेरे दिमाग में वो बैठ गया था कि the more thinkers that they are in the notes, the more qualitative the notes are, which is partially true and partially false as well. But नेहा भोसले मैम से सौ की बहुत thinkers है, बहुत dense का है content. तो I followed that, but जिस टॉपिक्स पे नहीं मिलते थे, मुझे लगता था कि inadequate है, बहुत छोटा कंटेंट है, to just Google 2-3 टैब खोल देता था, जो भी मिलते थे, any coaching institute या फिर ऐसे जनरल कोई भी आर्टिकल हो, तो उससे I used to make 2-page 3-page notes of like every topic. So I used to follow कि अपना खुद का टॉपिक बनाना है, but primarily भोसले मैम का notes would be my primary source.
Okay.
And जहाँ पे थे कुछ टॉपिक्स थे which I was not clear about, उस पे I followed Nitin Sangwan sir's essential sociology.
Right.
Few topics जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि concept थोड़ा समझ नहीं आ रहा and all.
Okay.
For thinkers, I would have because especially for thinkers like Mead and Parsons, which are extremely technical, and कुछ marks के भी कुछ concepts which I used to feel कि नहीं समझ आ रहा, then I would just Google anywhere, and I don't remember the channels and everything. जो भी आते थे उनको बार पढ़ के, because there was nobody who could help me कि समझाने के लिए. So जो भी resource मिलता था वो particular, like for example commodity fetishism हो गया, Karl Marx का, जो like it would make sense कि बताना क्या चाहते हैं, but then it was also technical. तो उन चीजों के लिए I used to randomly Google, and जो भी आता था resource YouTube पे, I used to follow that. So I made notes खुद से for paper 1, paper 2 वैसा, primarily from her notes, and had taken 2 test series, one before prelims and one after prelims. तो उनसे value additions की, and end के time पे, which is around prelims mains के बीच में some time पे, I discovered कि the thinkers that I'm mentioning in paper 2, they're still alive and they're still writing in Indian Express.
Right.
So
Okay.
which was a eureka moment कि अरे यार, like इनके articles मैं क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहा था पहले.
Okay.
So then I went through those thinkers and columnists, उनके previous articles also and उनके current articles, and उसके छोटे snapshot ले जाता था, and I used to message myself in WhatsApp खुद के group पे, and वो थोड़े periodically last month I revised, and I think that I had used in a lot of my especially paper 2 notes, very fresh perspectives of the जो last एक week में बोला गया होगा, या फिर एक month में कोई लिखे होंगे कोई sociologist ने in Indian Express. So that was also a value addition element I had put.
Okay. If you were to appear again, तो job के साथ appear करना पसंद करोगे या बिना job के साथ?
Job के साथ sir, any day. I mean, every time it would always feel कि बहुत inadequate है. People say कि 10-12 घंटे पढ़ते हैं, and on a very good day I'm getting 5-6 hours. And ऐसा लगता भी था कि I'm taking shortcuts. I'm not going through the standard books अच्छे से. I'm not taking a coaching content. I'm not putting that many hours. तो inadequate लगता था, but I had made peace with it कि without job वो ज़्यादा stressful हो जाएगा, because with the uncertainty that the exam brings in, and वो peace of mind आती है at the end of the month, a good salary comes to your bank account.
Right.
तो वो financial independence हो जाती है. So any day with job.
With job. Okay.
So I would have given 35 to 45 tests उस time पे, and my strategy was कि पहले तो थोड़ा frequency कम था, पहले starting में week में एक बार या week में 2 बार test, फिर till the end May के first week में I was giving per day 2 tests.
Okay.
तो but then वो test होता था, I used to sit the next day with the test answers, made notes out of those things, या फिर notes out of new information, and also the things which I knew but I made any mistakes in, and I used to revise those things as well.
Okay.
And also this also I think I had been mentioning it couple of other places also. For me during the prelims one, I must have seen entire playlist of Premix of, and the 2 minutes series, which was not like 2 minutes but like a 10-minute series.
Right.
That I would have seen the whole playlist. Because I used to like walk to my office. My office was extremely nearby, 10 minutes walk, and I used to plug in earphones and used to see every video. So I'd have seen every video of that, and even main se day also I'd seen बिकॉज आई थिंक वो जो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट वर्किंग एस्पिरेंट को मिलते हैं, एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज ऑन कभी 5 मिनट मिल जाए तो कुछ प्रोडक्टिव कर लूं. That time I had used every free resource that was available on the YouTube channel.
Nice.
So when I say कि I had done 40-45 tests, but also I had done a lot of MCQs ऐसे organically. Because वो हर रोज का 5 क्वेश्चन, हर रोज का 10 क्वेश्चन, that also I had done organically while I was preparing just before prelims. Pre के पहले sir I had enrolled in a test series which was not like a full length test. But they made me write 3 questions एक दिन में. तो it was a consistently 2 महीने का program. So it was more or less based on PYQs as well.
Okay.
तो वो 2 महीने I would have written every day 3 answers on an average. तो उससे it became a momentum बना how to write answers, how can I enrich my answers.
Okay.
And also जब whenever वो नहीं हो 2 महीने के अलावा भी एक महीना I would have written only PYQs. I had not made not got them checked, but just to be in that zone कि sociology मैं भूल ना जाऊँ. And also just after prelims got over and started mains, तब तुरंत I did not give a test series. I had enrolled in one, but वो एक month also वो PYQs I started writing because वो एक inertia बन गया था because 4 महीने से sociology नहीं था. So again 1 month फिर every day I used to, before sleeping I used to write 30 minutes के लिए previous year questions.
Okay.
So yeah, this was with like answer writing of sociology.
कि which is the toughest phase of this entire process कि pre-mains interview क्या है जो बहुत ही तुम्हें लगा कि ये बहुत मुश्किल था, thank God ही हो गया?
Prelims, any day prelims.
Prelims, okay. And अभी आप इंजीनियर हो और है ना, इसीलिए CSAT का मिलाकर I guess है CSAT को मिला के बोल रहे हो?
I would say if prelims में भी CSAT I would say the toughest.
Environment और Science and Tech के you enrolled in rapid revision courses. तो वही सवाल है कि कमी कैसे पता लगी कि okay I need to do more, and then why particularly these 2 courses of sleepy classes?
Sir, because कमी इसीलिए पता चली because environment I saw कि चाहे कुछ भी पढ़ लो there's no end to it. So but then I was afraid कि मैंने कोई क्लास ही नहीं लिया. So at the end of the day prelims is a competitive exam. So ऐसा ना हो कि the question जो सब कर रहे हैं वो मैं मुझसे छूट जाए. It's okay जो सब कोई नहीं कर पा रहा वो मैं भी नहीं किया तो ठीक है, the probability still ज़्यादा बिगड़ता नहीं है. But for the later case वो थोड़ा दिक्कत था. So I needed कि एक, and I had seen madams the entire premix वाले videos and everything I had seen. So I knew कि the content quality was very rich, but मुझे एक साथ में चाहिए था वो. मुझे एक पूरा रिवाइज करवाया and मैं कुछ छूट ना जाए मुझसे, ताकि the ones which are very important and everybody would know मैं ना कर पाऊँ. तो so that's why environment I enrolled. Science and technology because for a lot of time I had this overconfidence कि मैं तो technology background से आता हूँ and I would be able to do it. current affairs से हो जाएगा. But when I started giving the tests, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में ही आंसर नहीं आते थे मुझे. तो इट मेड सेंस कि मतलब आई रियलाइज कि आई नेग्लेक्टेड दिस सब्जेक्ट अभी, एंड अभी सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट में जो हो सकता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई टुक सर का साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का रैपिड रिवीजन सीरीज. आल्सो बिफोर टेकिंग दैट और उसी टाइम के अराउंड आल्सो हैड डन PYQ मैराथन्स ऑफ स्लीपी क्लासेस के सारे सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक इकोनॉमी, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी एंड एनवायरनमेंट एंड साइंस. वो भी, and I had not done PYQs. Like this is something also which is very wrong that I had done with the preparation. Mains के PYQs I would have seen done and even sociology, but prelims के PYQs I had not done till very last. Which I regret अभी, but मैंने PYQ marathons किए, वो 2013 या 2012 के थे, 10-11 years के. And उस पे I understood मेरी gaps का, and it felt कि environment and science and tech is something जहाँ पे मेरी प्रिपरेशन बहुत haphazard लग रही है and I need a concrete end-to-end course for this.
Okay.
Favorite would be sociology any day.
Sociology, okay.
But not so favorite at geography.
Okay.
Extremely difficult. अभी भी I used to get nightmares.
Okay.
तो geography समझ नहीं आती थी ठीक से and I would have used a lot of resources here and there. So yeah, geography not so favorite.
Okay. और अच्छा एक और चीज़ है, योर कॉल टू आंसर इट और नॉट. तो यू बीन थ्रू अ लॉट पर्सनली, तो और यूपीएससी इटसेल्फ एक इतना टैक्सिंग एग्जाम है और इमोशनली भी और फिजिकली भी बहुत ड्रेन करता है। तो जैसे ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे जो बहुत से बच्चे, वी रिसीव अ लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट एबल टू कोप अप, कि हमसे हो नहीं रहा, हमसे हो नहीं रहा, करने का बहुत मन है, हो नहीं रहा। तो इन सच सिनेरियोस, तो व्हाट कुड बी, व्हाट यूज्ड टू बी योर गो टू मंत्रा कि इस कारण से आई विल नॉट स्टॉप?
For me, it was the motivation was 2 साल के लिए especially had been my mother, and because she was going through so much physically and mentally, तो and still she was always there with me. She was मतलब I'd say कि she sacrificed her life for me. तो वो देख के मुझे लगता था कि whatever I'm going through कितना trivial है। मतलब आज I'm cribbing कि मैं full time नहीं prepare कर पा रहा हूँ और इस टेस्ट में कम मार्क आ रहे हैं, या फिर it's feeling lonely and like my friends, I'm pushing my friends away. वो सब चीजें लगता था कि it's a 10x difficulties my mother is going through. तो लगता था अगर वो मेरे लिए कर सकती है, so this has to be my tribute to her. And I just wanted to do it as soon as possible ताकि वो देख पाए, and that used to drive me every time I used to have these feelings of quitting. But having said that, मतलब every day was not the same, so but I had a very strong support system of my school friends, so who had checked on me literally every day or a couple of times every day, and they were the people I used to lean on every single day. My sister was very supportive, and apart from that, like for last 2 years, even till 15th of April, also on 15th of April also had a session. I was on a mental health support. I was in therapy. I'm still in therapy. Next week I have a session too. So I had taken professional help, which is something that I would not shy away from accepting.
एग्जाम एक जनरली कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस, अपनी खुद की एक्सपेक्टेशंस के अपार्ट। आप स्कूल कॉलेज में कभी टॉप किए होते हो, अच्छा ऐसे लिखा होता है, सभी बोलना शुरू हो जाते हैं आप यूपीएससी मटेरियल हो, तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस कितनी बिल्ड हो जाती हैं, उसके बाद सडनली देन यू रियलाइज कि ये हो नहीं रहा मुझसे, और एम आई नॉट गुड इनफ, या सबने मुझे झूठ बोला था। तो उसके बाद अभी ना जैसे वी यूज टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स, क्योंकि एक तो शायद वो भी है कि मोस्ट लाइकली पीपल डोंट रियली वांट टू विजिट अ प्रोफेशनल जो कहीं से हेल्प मिल जाए, तो दे कॉल अप कि टीचर कुछ हेल्प कर देंगे। तो हमारे पास जैसे वी वांट टू हेल्प, लेकिन हमें एग्जैक्ट पता ही नहीं है कि हम क्या बोलें कि दे फील मोटिवेटेड। वी कैन ओनली गिव एन एक्सटर्नल इम्पेटस, तो इंटरनली कैसे वो बेटर फील करें। तो वी हायर्ड अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड वी हैड टू हायर अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, एंड हमें लग रहा था कि हमारे पास इतनी कैपेसिटी नहीं है, वी रियली डू नॉट हैव आंसर्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। तो और इसीलिए आई स्टिल सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड ऐसे वी गेट ईमेल्स एंड ऑल, तो जहाँ पे बच्चे हमें बता रहे होते हैं कि यूपीएससी प्रोसेस से बाहर आ गए लेकिन वो ट्रॉमा नहीं जा रहा। तो इसलिए मुझे लग रहा था कि व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड मेंशनिंग इट, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इफ इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम someone who's excelled in the exam and still admitting it, और वो कह रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए ना let's start getting comfortable with the idea that help can be sought, कि हेल्प लेकर आप अपने आप पर काम कर। जैसे ना अभी मेरे पैर में चोट लगेगी, मैं डॉक्टर के पास चला जाऊंगा, उसमें कोई शर्म फील नहीं कर रहा, कुछ नहीं कर रहा। लेकिन अगर मैं इंटरनली मानसिक तौर से बेटर फील नहीं कर रहा, पीपल फील वेरी शाय, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स लाइक हाउ दिस हैज बिकम अ कल्चर। तो आई एम रियली रियली ग्लैड एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट यू फॉर दैट। तो ये इसीलिए ये जरूरी है ये बात करना।
Yes, just to add that, and also the message should not go कि you have to go through something as extreme as a parent suffering from a terminal cancer and तभी जाके आप करो। It could be something like it not just feeling well, you're not feeling motivated, you're feeling dull, you're feeling lonely. Right. So it's an entire spectrum, and I don't think there's a way to measure that mental health कितना down है। Scientifically probably होते होंगे, but you can just go just to check कि ठीक है कि नहीं सब कुछ, and there's no loss in it. Right. If you do not want to share कि you are taking therapy, that's up to you. Right. But you can always go and seek professional help, and मुझे पहले लगता था कि ज़्यादा कुछ फर्क होगा नहीं, because she can't do anything with my case, क्या ही बोलेंगी वो। But it actually helped, and I have been on therapy for 2 years regularly, so I could see the change. Also to add one thing sir, as you mentioned initially कि वो trauma रह जाता है यूपीएससी छोड़ने के बाद भी, and the people around you कितना pressure बना देते हैं। yesterday, like I went back to NIT Rourkela, my alma mater. Udhar we had a felicitation ceremony, and then उससे मुझे याद आया कि there used to be a souvenir entry हम जब graduate करते हैं, and your friends write up something and वो एक team compile करके लिखती है. When I had graduated, उसमें the पहला line was soon to be at Labasna, the upcoming IAS officer, so and so forth. And everybody used to post their souvenirs तुरंत ही just after their graduation. मैं इसीलिए पोस्ट नहीं कर पाया था because वो डर था कि अगर मैं कभी नहीं बन पाऊँ और everybody would then come back to that and point out. तो वो बचपन से हो जाता है कि यार ये तो IAS बनेगा ही, और ये so my teachers had saved my number as Animesh IAS. Okay. Which is extremely motivating and मतलब उनका faith इतना ज़्यादा था, but the other side of the coin is also it puts an added pressure. तो you make your entire identity about UPSC, or you let the entire UPSC consume yourself. तो ऐसा लगता था कि anything other than that is less. Right. Anything other than is not win. Right. So which was the same thing with me as well. But ये अगर कोई message जा सके कि do not make this your entire life, but just an important part. Important रहे, but a full part ना रहे आपके life में.
Right. और exactly, और particularly जैसे fairly young age पे people begin, और वो उसी के, और जब मुझे लगता है कि वो जो उम्र होती है किसी की कुछ दुनिया को समझने की, क्योंकि उसके पहले स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस में घूम रहे होते हैं, तो सडनली जब दुनिया के पास आपको जाना होता है तो आप बंद कमरे में बैठ जाते हैं, और उस वक्त आपकी आइडेंटिटी फॉर्मेशन वैसे होनी शुरू हो जाती है. इट्स वेरी वेरी टफ. तो इवन दैट्स व्हाई इवन आई एम एडमिटिंग राइट नाउ कि इवन दे यूज्ड टू बी क्वेश्चंस आई हैड नो आंसर टू. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं क्या जवाब दूं इस बात का, कि मैं खुद उससे गुजरा हूं, मुझे पता ही नहीं मैं क्या बोलूं उसका, मैं क्या आंसर, मेरे पास आंसर नहीं है उसका. तो इसीलिए आई गेस वी सॉट इवन वी हायर्ड अ प्रोफेशनल साइकोलॉजिस्ट, और ऐसे लग रहा था कि हमारी ऐसे छोटी सी टीम है और कॉस्ट इश्यूज मुझे लग रहा है, लेकिन ये बहुत एसेंशियल है कि जो सिलेक्ट होने वाले बच्चे बहुत कम होते हैं, ना सिलेक्ट होने वाले बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, तो इसीलिए उनके लिए भी होना ही चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ. तो दैट्स वाई वी ब्रॉट हर इन. तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ थी, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि लेट्स नॉर्मलाइज दिस, है ना. अभी जो उस पर चलता है ये बहुत ज़्यादा हाइपर पे चलता है ये भी, तो इससे थोड़ा सा इसको नॉर्मलाइज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ऐसे लगता है कि जिसका सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ सिर्फ वही तो परेशान होगा. ऐसे नहीं है. मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ कैन बी रियली मीन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, इवन टू द टॉपर्स, इवन टू द किंग्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, है ना. तो इसीलिए ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि मेरे साथ कुछ खास बुरा हुआ, ये हुआ, औरों के साथ भी हुआ है. तो ना वी जस्ट ऐसे उसमें खुद को कन्फाइन ना करते रहें. बस मुझे वो लगता है कि हाँ, लेट्स सीक हेल्प. हाँ, ओके. और अनवेश ऐसे कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज़ दैट यू हैव नॉट शेयर्ड बिकॉज आप से इतने लोगों ने इतने सवाल पूछ लिए अभी तक, तो ऐसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ दैट यू थिंक मे बी कैसे बात की जा सकती है इस पर, और ये पर्टिकुलर जो इशू है एक अनटच्ड है, या फिर इस पे बात कर सकता हूँ मैं.
I think sir, one thing is everybody has a thing कि आप job के साथ कैसे कर लिए, which has always been a point. But and I think we touched upon this as well. But I think a lot of things helped because I had a job. People see this कि job के साथ preparation करना या फिर plan B के साथ करना is something which is detrimental for the preparation. But I think अभी competition इतना tougher होते जा रहा है and uncertainty इतनी higher होती जा रही है. You will have to either have a parallel plan B या फिर a plan B already planned. Like it's not just important to have a plan B but have a planned plan B. कि आप क्या करोगे, कितने टाइम लगेंगे उसके प्रिपरेशन में, उसकी मार्केट कैसी है. So I think that is very essential अभी की और and maybe difficult है to do with the job and it will take probably a lot, थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा टाइम. बट ऐसा फुल कुछ भी ना सोच समझ के विदाउट एनी प्लानिंग प्रिपरेशन में कूद जाना इज एक्सट्रीमली रिस्की. इज बिकॉज वो नैरेटिव है अभी भी है कि जॉब के साथ कैसे कर लिया. तो मुझे लगता है कि एंड सिंस आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमा पर्सनल लेवल पे, अगर जॉब नहीं होती उस टाइम पे तब तो आई थिंक आई वुड हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू हैंडल थिंग्स. तो यस, द लाइफ गेट्स मीनर बट with some financial independence on that comes out of a personal job, right, makes life easier. So for me sir, ये the dream came, वो था, was ingrained by my father जब मैं class 5-6 में था. So and then जब मैं थोड़ा बहुत बड़ा हुआ in high school and all, तब I was very clear, very headstrong कि I want to become an IAS officer. But maybe उस टाइम पे बहुत nitty-gritties नहीं पता थी. पता चल गया था 9-10 में कि UPSC देना पड़ता है and it has 3 stages. And वैसा and it's extremely difficult to crack. But by 11th and 12th में I was headstrong कि I'll either take up medical or engineering because back at home वही थे options. और वो लेके जो भी है अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट में जाना है एंड जॉब के साथ आई स्टार्ट प्रिपरेशन बिकॉज I wanted to be also financially independent because we do not come from a very privileged background. तो ये था कि जॉब के साथ करना. So what I'm going through अभी on a professional note is something that was in my mind right from my school days कि ऐसे करना. And I'm fortunate कि things followed वैसे, but obviously there were hiccups here and there, but the thought and वो planning vision school days से था.
Okay, school से ही और वो that idea stayed.
Yes.
Okay.
And Indian Oil also, I was like extremely I'm still working with IOC and I'm very fortunate that I the team that I got and the people I was with, they're extremely supportive. ऐसा नहीं कि they till last they did not know that like I had not informed a lot of people from the team that I am preparing for UPSC. And पूरे टीम को इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे ही पता चला. I just said my HOD पहले only because उनको बताना पड़ता है.
Right.
But he also did not share with the team. But the thing is कि वो emotional level पे बहुत supportive था IOC. And IOC आप जैसे बताया कि itself it's a prestigious job. I had posting in the headquarters itself in Delhi. Wonderful team, but वो since वो था self motivation कि I'll have to do UPSC, so it never felt कि अभी settled life हो गई है अभी रहने दो.
Okay.
And also sir, one more thing, I'll miss this opportunity if I want to say this. आपका एक video था important quotes, philosophical quotes that you can put in essays.
Right.
Which I think I had liberally used across all my mock essays, all my real essays, and I could see वो drastic change in my mock test के answers के marks में because उस quotes की वजह से. And since I know कि you read a lot and you come across a lot of resources, if you ever get time to essay थोड़े बहुत extremely जिसका ROI बहुत ज़्यादा हो, वैसे videos if we could bring in, not just from sociology essay point of view, but in general जैसे PSIR में like for polity governance में भी also ऐसा होता है कि we could pick up something from PSIR optional जो कि हम let's say IR के किसी concept में डाल सकते हैं, जैसे मंडाला थ्योरी जो कि IR के concepts में डाल सकते, you can mention. और कुछ हो गया यानी sea warfare के बारे में जो कि PSIR वाले बहुत elaborately पढ़ते हैं, but you can put that here. Same with sociology and society का linkage.
Right.
So वो अगर if you and could have, because I have seen प्रेरणा मैम के कुछ PSIR videos also क्योंकि मजा आता था ऐसे देखने के लिए. I had nothing to do with PSIR and उनके कुछ concepts had put in polity and governance too. So I think वो अगर एक हम एक creative videos we could bring in, so that would be helpful.
That's a good idea and very such a low hanging fruit that could be done. ठीक है अनिमेश, and thank you so much for the time. अभी इसीलिए जो सबसे IAS बन जाओगे जब डिस्ट्रिक्ट संभालोगे तब फिर टाइम होगा, अभी टाइम नहीं होता. अभी सबसे मुश्किल है टाइम निकालना. तो इसीलिए बहुत शुक्रिया.
Also sir, my heart extremely grateful to the entire Sleepy team. I had taken a lot, मतलब मेरा दिन like I used to cook and everything alone as well. So when I'm cooking, I was cooking or making tea. Background में there used to be a Sleepy video जो भी चलता था. So I mean I had taken a lot of help from Sleepy classes. Might not have enrolled into a lot of paid courses, but free courses, everything. If you check my YouTube history, I'd have covered almost all of your playlist. So would always be eternally grateful to you and the entire team. And thank you so much sir.
Thank you Animesh. आप ये बोलना और मेंशन करना ये बहुत it's such a reward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much sir.